Projects that might benefit more from an adaptive environment than Agile are those with high levels of uncertainty and complexity. Research and development projects involve exploring new technologies where outcomes are uncertain and requirements evolve. Innovative product design focuses on creating new products where user needs are not well understood at the outset. Complex systems integration involves integrating multiple systems being developed concurrently, requiring adaptive approaches. Strategic initiatives require adaptability to accommodate shifting priorities and stakeholder needs in large-scale projects. Exploratory software development projects with emerging technologies may benefit from flexible adaptive approaches. In conclusion, adaptive environments allow for continuous learning and are essential for projects with high uncertainty.